Nebraska Attorney General Mike Hilgers is with us this morning. He's filing a lawsuit against Lorex, that's a home security camera manufacturer. He claims the company misled consumers about the device's safety and privacy, and they may be feeding data to China. Mike Hilgers joins us now. All right, Mr. Attorney General, it was rather a sensational headline. The Chinese are spying on us through baby monitors. Is that what you're going against?
That's exactly what we're going against. Lorex is a camera that people can buy on any United States website, and it looks like any other baby camera. In fact, like any other baby camera, it has representations oftentimes on the site saying this is safe and this is secure. Unfortunately, that's just not true, Stuart. What we found is that these cameras, which may be labeled Lorex, are in fact based on hardware from a company called Dahua. Dahua is a Chinese-based military contractor that actually the FCC says contains very significant security issues. Those security issues really create backdoors that enable either hackers or the Chinese government to be able to obtain audio, video from those particular cameras. We know under Chinese law that anything obtained by a Chinese company can, upon request, be given to the Chinese Communist Party. So not only do these cameras pose a very significant privacy risk to individual families, they also actually pose a larger national security risk.
But what kind of information collected on a baby monitor goes back to the Communist Party in Beijing?
Some of the most intimate and most private information you possibly can have, which are your interactions with your children in your family. It's not just baby monitors, it's other surveillance cameras that you have. So even if you turn off the audio, as an example, Stuart, those hackers or the Chinese government can actually get a hold of the audio on the camera. So think about the conversations that you have around your family members, and in particular if you have a very sensitive job. So the information that they can get is some of the most private that people have.
Mr. Attorney General, thanks very much indeed. I thought it was a rather sensational headline, baby monitors spying for Beijing, but you've explained your case and we will follow it through. Thanks very much for being with us today, sir. We appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you, Stuart.
And we should tell our audience that we reached out to Lorex for a statement and they replied with this. Lorex confirms that it is aware of the lawsuit from the Nebraska Attorney General. We fully intend to contest the allegations made by the Attorney General, and we are confident that a fair hearing will determine that Lorex has taken the appropriate steps to safeguard customers' privacy, end quote.